How to delete Circle K account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can delete Circle K account. For this, you first of all have to download and install the Circle K app on your device. Once you have downloaded it, go ahead and open the application. Once you have opened it and for some reason you want to delete your account, go ahead and tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on the profile option. Once you tap on the profile option, down below you will find a delete account option. Go ahead and click on the delete my account option. Once you do, it's going to ask you for confirmation. Tap on the yes delete my account option. As soon as you tap on that option, your Circle K account will be deleted. Once your account has been deleted, if you want to create a new account or sign into another account, you can simply tap on the sign in or sign up option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.